This 2017 Keystone Cougar XLite 30RLI is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, awning, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, microwave, leveling jacks, water heater, air conditioning, spare tire kit, slide out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Keystone Cougar XLite 30RLI is 7,704 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.